My namaste to everybody. Jai Hind. Can I hear it louder, please? Thank you. Thank you. To all the parents and to all the students. This is not my first time here. Some of the students are now into their second, third years when I had come perhaps 2 years ago for your orientation. And so you should ask your seniors how it is. And perhaps all of you come with different expectations. You've joined this and different courses. How many of you are doing BBA? How many of you are going to do commerce? How many of you want to make media your career? How many of you are only this corner here? How many of you are taking law? A lot of you want to get into law. Fantastic. Nice. How many of you have a clear plan what you're going to do 5 years from now? How many of you think you're going to find your answers in the next 1 year? Or how many of you thinking, यार कोर्स में फाइनली कोर्स कंप्लीट होगा, जो मार्क्स मिलेंगे उसके बाद किस्मत ध्यान ले जाएगी, वहां चले जाएंगे. See, lot of uncertainties, no? Variables keep changing, right? आज हम कुछ सोचते हैं, by in 6 months technology would have taken somewhere else. You're studying law, the dynamics of law itself may change with AI coming in. A lot of work which is being done by legal representatives, or when you work with legal companies, by the junior bachas for the first 5-10 years may just evaporate, because AI will take over and they will start writing your case files. They'll start documenting all the legal work. The paperwork will be taken care of. So technology may just take over. Jobs of the future may differ from the courses of today. And it's all happening now. Those 5D cameras which are now being used on those smaller tripods. 3 years ago, there were PD cameras, heavier ones. And this person who's walking around with a gimbal in his hand, so mobile, able to take such good shots, could not do that because he had a heavy camera in his hand and he'll have to walk around with a lot of long cable and with thick batteries. 2.5-3 kilo का कैमरा होता था, 500 ग्राम का है. The whole he can do a 360 all around me with that gimbal, which will allow him to rock and roll and also zoom in, zoom out, do multiple things at the same time with that one instrument, which is less than 1.5 kilos in weight. All the entrapments put together. So see, the whole game changes. Today, YouTubers have teams of 50, 60, 100 people. News channels are running with 60, 70, 100 people. So the dynamics are changing. In media, the dynamics are changing all around us. SMA, what is the only thing that is constant? What's the only thing that's constant? Change. आपके इर्द गिर्द at all points in time चीजें बदल रही हैं. Now, I'm going to ask you, what do you think you are? Are you a sponge? Or are you a rock? What's the difference? What's the difference? A rock is solid, right? It doesn't change shape. You'll have to break it. It won't fit into anything. A sponge absorbs and releases when required, when you squeeze it. When you get things out of it, that's when it releases. Till then it absorbs and it can fit into various molds. So it's adaptable. So one of the few things over the next 4-5 years, which I would request all of you to do, is be adaptable. Is be willing to learn. Not just your course, but also be aware of how things are changing around us. Why? Because otherwise you'll be caught like a rock in a hard place. You'll not know how to change. कब चीजें आपके इर्द गिर्द बदल गए, आप वैसे के वैसे रह गए. So this is something which I'm going to request all of you to please make sure you adapt. The other thing is, all of us are different, right? All of us are different. क्या आप और मैं सेम है? नहीं है ना? आपके बगल में जो बैठा है, बैठी है, are they the same as you are? They're not. So you got to figure out what's unique about you. What's your one skill that sets you apart from your nearest person because they are competition for you? What is it that sets you apart? What are your 3, 4, 5 key strengths? और अपने आप से झूठ नहीं बोलना. दुनिया से झूठ बोल लो, लेकिन आईने में जो शख्स दिखता है ना, उससे झूठ नहीं बोलना। आईने में कौन दिखता है? कौन दिखता है? हम खुद दिखते हैं ना। So don't lie to yourself. Be honest, absolutely brutally honest with yourself. What are your skills and what are your weaknesses? What do you need to really work on? And what is it that you are not going to work on? भाई हम ढीठ हैं इस मामले में, हम नहीं बदलेंगे, पर आपको जानना जरूरी है। क्यों? क्योंकि कल को उसी क्वालिटी जो आप लैक करते हो कोई और अपनी स्ट्रेंथ बनाकर आप आगे निकल जाएगा या निकल जाएगी, then you should not feel bad because you made a conscious call that मुझे नहीं बदलना है। But you must have 4 or 5 skills, 4 or 5 things where you will either improve or those are your strengths कि आप कहोगे इसी के साथ मुझे आगे बढ़ना है। This is who I am or this is where I'm going to focus and this is what I'm going to do. And at any point in time, if you need to course correct, are you going to be a sponge or are you going to be a rock? Yeah, because you need to be ready to adapt, accept, adapt, and then improve, course correct. You can do it only now. That's what many people will say. No, you can do it at any point in your life. आप कभी भी ये कर सकते हो। भवन ईरानी 44 इयर्स के बाद उन्होंने अपना डेब्यू किया था एक्टिंग में, तब तक फोटोग्राफर थे, आज क्या है? तो लाइफ में आप कभी भी कोर्स करेक्ट कर सकते हो। मैंने एमबीए करने के बाद आई एम अ जर्नलिस्ट, लाइफ ब्रॉट मी टू वेयर आई एम टुडे। सो either you course correct or let life course correct for you and you go with the flow. कई बार ऐसा होता है, आपको कभी हुआ है ऐसा कि आप कहीं जाना चाहते हो और कहीं ना कहीं जिंदगी आपको क्यों दे रही है कि यहां नहीं जाना भाई, तुमको यहां जाना है, गो हियर, मुझे इसके साथ बाहर जाना है, आई एम गोइंग टू गो आउट विद दिस पर्सन, एंड लाइफ इज गिविंग यू क्यूज, नो डोंट, बस छूट जाएगी, मेट्रो मिस हो जाएगा, चप्पल टूट जाएगी, कुछ हो जाएगा, वेयर लाइफ इज गिविंग यू अ क्यू, और जिस तरफ निकल रहे हो उस तरफ नहीं निकलना है, you got to go to a different direction. You got to do, learn to read these cues from life. I can only tell you this. Learn to adapt, learn to learn, have the willingness to learn at all points in time. And third, allow life to guide you. आपने यहाँ से लॉ कर लिया, उसके बाद आपका लाइफ आपको कहते हैं कि नहीं आपको ये करना है, you have to become a musician, you have to become an entrepreneur, you have to start something in tech, you got to do something of your own, or you totally have to change your life, change your line of work or profession. Don't resist it, try it. You know, कोई आपके सामने बोलता है ट्राई करो, what's your first reaction? ला ट्राई करता हूँ या करती हूँ या नहीं, you got to stop this, नहीं. You got to say, all right, I'm willing to try. But you draw your boundaries and say, no, I am not going to try this because this is not who I am. Have that clarity. So there are certain things which you will not cross, certain lines which will not cross, certain things जहाँ पे आप ढीठ हैं, but certain things where you are going to be adaptable, you're willing to learn, and you're going to go with the flow. Life will take you in a direction. Please go in that direction. And most importantly, and I'm going to wind up on this, how many of you meditate? How many of you give yourself 10 minutes in a day to do something that you love to do? जिसको करके आपको मजा आता है, आप खुश महसूस करते हैं, you feel good. How many of you do it? चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, it's not necessarily meditation, squash हो सकता है, गिटार हो सकता है, गाना हो सकता है, घूमना फिरना हो सकता है, मम्मी के साथ गप्पे मारना हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, but 10 मिनट आप रोज वो करते हो जिससे आपको खुशी मिलती है, no matter how good or bad a day you've had. Whenever you pick up this activity or whenever you do this, you feel happy, you feel relaxed, you bring a smile to your face. How many of you do it? Now I would like all of you to do it. Learn to love yourself, learn to give yourself happiness, learn to tell yourself 10 minutes in a day you need to give you yourself. You need to spend time with yourself, doing something which you love to do. Even if it is feeding fish, कबूतर को दाना देना है, no problem. जूते पॉलिश करना भी कुछ लोगों को मजा आता है, करो, but do it for 10 minutes in a day. जाकर टीटी खेल लिया यार, या बैडमिंटन खेल लिया, या वर्कआउट कर लिया, या मेडिटेट कर लिया, बैठ के 10 मिनट हमने शांति से अपने अंदर स्टिलनेस लेके आ गए. Anything which you can do, 10 minutes is what I'm saying. Give this to yourself. Tell me, why am I telling you? Why am I asking you to do this? Any guesses why I'm asking you to do this? Yes, ma'am. Correct. Mental wellness. The biggest important thing. You know the space between your ears? If you measure it, it is less than 8 inches, 7 inches. That's the gap. But this controls all of us. And also how we are with others around us. So if this place is happy, either charging ठीक है, तो क्या होगा? Output सही रहेगा. Correct? Agree, disagree? So we all look at our physical fitness and how we're looking in our dress and all that. But you have to first ask yourself, how are you feeling? Are you feeling happy? Are you feeling settled? Are you feeling that life is good? No matter how much bad is happening with you, life is good. आज बुरा हो रहा है, कल अच्छा होगा. बुरा हो रहा है, कुछ अच्छे के लिए बुरा हो रहा है. अच्छा हो रहा है, कुछ अच्छे के लिए अच्छा हो रहा है. To get into this state is very important for you at your age, at your level, and you need to remain like this throughout your life. Tabhi you will not go ahead and do something stupid. You will not waste your life, you will not squander your life, nor will you put your loved ones जो आपसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं, you will not give them pain. ठीक है? Am I making sense? Agree, disagree? स्ट्रेस को स्ट्रेस दो. डोंट स्ट्रेस योरसेल्फ. ठीक है? दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. एग्जाम्स आएंगे जाएंगे, डेपोजिशंस आएंगे जाएंगे, काम होगा नहीं होगा, सब कुछ चंगा सी. दिस इज समथिंग यू हैव टू बी एबल टू अचीव इन योर हेड, बिकॉज दैट विल ऑल्सो अलाउ यू टू लर्न, दैट विल ऑल्सो अलाउ यू टू एक्सेप्ट ट्रुथ्स अराउंड यू, and it will also allow you to adapt. Right? So top down, bottom up, everything. I'm trying to pack in a small conversation just to tell you, nobody told me this when I joined my institute, when I first got into a graduation college or in a post-graduation college to MBA. Nobody told me this. We had to learn it the hard way. Nobody even realized this was an issue. But this is real. Today it's front and center. Right? And I'm going to wind up on this. How much time do you guys spend on your screen? Looking at your phone? How many hours, how much time do you spend doom scrolling? Reel, doom scrolling. How much? Okay, here's what I'm going to tell you. Next time you start doing that, set an alarm. Set an alarm for 10 minutes. 10 minute के बाद बंद कर दो. You know otherwise what will happen? अभी तो आप स्वाइप कर रहे हो, थोड़ी देर बाद लाइफ आपकी स्वाइप हो जाती. समझना? ठीक है? All the best. All the best. You're in good hands. Have fun. Make the most. Learn more. Thank you.